but we'll continue.
Hey,
I
there's a
don't think
crawl.
Cannibals not used.
Oh, that's twin.
Oh my fuck,
Oh,
yeah.
that's great. They're already out.
Yeah, they're not attacking us yet. Hey,
You're right there,
that's how we got this now.
He's definitely attacking. How have we not got the stun button on yet?
I don't know where to get it.
It's like in the middle of the water, I think.
No, it's not.
There's another cave guy right there. He's blind. They can't do anything out here.
We've already been in this cave, I'm pretty sure.
Maybe.
You're right, we have already been in this cave before. But we didn't explore the cave. We couldn't.
Yeah, because we needed the grappling hook.
Oh, it's that
We
one?
should just
Is
go
it
in the
that
cave.
one?
Yeah, I'm thinking. That's last time, right? That's what I'm assuming. Like the glass
assume
caves
so.
last time.
I'll put on my
That's the one.
rebreather.
Oh, are you gonna be an alcoholic when you grow up?
Oh yeah,
Not as
raging.
much as you.
Also true.
Shit, shut up, dog. You don't know any. Guys, the wetsuit's right here, by the way.
What's right here?
Wetsuit, wetsuit.
What's the wetsuit? Is it?
If you equip it, you go faster in water, like a lot
Where is
faster.
it?
If you go slower on land.
Alright, I'm gonna put on the wetsuit and the rebreather.
Where?
It's like right where coal is, it should be.
No.
It's right over here, I think, if I remember.
Yeah.
That's gone.
And back.
Hey, look, that
Oh.
guy's just chilling.
What's that sound? Alcohol.
Oh my fucking god!
He just like
dude.
hanged up on it.
Yeah, now you gotta get. Fight back, pussy! Fight back!
Holy shit!
Yeah, fight
They
back!
got
So
their
many of
gang.
them. Oh my god.
Jesus fuck.
Behind you, behind you, behind you,
Now,
behind you.
you guys have
now
any
you
fear
and your
on them?
boyfriend's fucking dead now, but.
Did these guys have anything important on them?
Damn, she's not die yet? God. Okay, I'm just... Alright, I'm floating.
Oh, you're just floating. Yeah. Did these guys have anything like important on them, or just cloth?
I don't think so.
And if you want, you could.
Well, is this the progression, or is the other side progression?
I mean, this is kind of just a little.
Should we go down then,
Let's go.
or is this just for fun down here?
It's not just for fun. It's a.
Oh yeah.
See how much faster you get though.
You go pretty
For real?
fast.
Well, actually, go back.
Go back.
Yeah, this is the right way. We don't want to go the right way yet.
I hate the right way. We gotta go the wrong way, then get the right way. Also,
Back
help
up,
me.
cool.
Cycle.
Hey, there's two of them. Yeah. Yeah, you just kind of blocked us off from helping Cole though. That's pretty cool.
Fuck goal.
He's gonna keep doing that, but they're both on me, so I'll go for Cole. And then there's a third one on Cole, so that was fun.
Oh my god, now I'm coming through them, dude. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, hopefully we're like right next to them.
Stop!
Hey guys.
Where are we?
I don't know, but I'm hoping it's near them.
This is the beginning of the cave. Hey, at least
Johnny
now we can go the other spot before we go there, because I don't know if that was the right spot. Oh, and there's the pit. Oh.
But we definitely went to the main spot. Why am I so much lower?
Holy fuck. Holy fuck.
Oh
Long gun
my.
time, baby.
What is that?
Jeffrey,
Just
what
one,
is
that's
that?
it, The fuck is that?
Where?
What is that
Throw
thing?
it up for me!
Alright,
get
I'm
you
getting
spitting
my
shit
gun
out.
out. I'm getting my gun out.
What the hell?
Did
Can
you
you wait
see
up
that?
for
I thought
me?
those were... What the...
I think
Not
it was one of the
Corey.
finger guys spitting shit out.
Oh, yeah, I think it was.
Alright, we're gonna have to fucking shoot these guys. Oh, damn, that was loud.
Yeah, this suppressor doesn't work for other people.
Oh yeah, for me it's like real quiet, but for you it sounds like a normal fucking gun.
Yeah. Yeah, bro's just eating bullets. Yeah, he's
What
got
the
it.
fuck?
He was spraying stuff out. You see the goopy stuff on the walls? That was him. There's a two-legged boy.
Oh, fuck.
Oh
Okay, we
fuck.
got you
Oh
back.
shit. Ah fuck, I just
Yeah, I
got
did
fucked
just
up.
big jump. Throw like dynamite or something at them.
Hold on, let me pull up my grenade.
I killed the pingery boy.
Guys, watch out, grenade.
Throw it.
Alright, you got some. I don't
Finger boys.
Alright,
There's
I'm gonna
another
get
finger boy.
the twin
Just a
over
finger
here.
boy.
Oh, never mind, he's dead.
Oh my god.
Well, to be fair, I threw it before I knew he was dead, so. There's also ammo here.
It'd be funny to have Cole just do a time lapse of us getting fucking mauled by the guys.
That'd be funny.
Only 3? Like, you better be 3 boxes, not 3 bullets. Jesus
I'm getting
Christ.
like 4 shotgun shells every time I pick up a box and only 3
Too bad we don't got
Yeah,
shotguns.
who has 3 bullets in a box? Right? I want like 3 boxes.
Well, I mean, it's probably used, you know.
Yeah, but they all have 3. I'd rather go from like 1 to 9 or something.
Oh my god,
just
it's
3.
3.
Hey, you never know. Maybe they're just you're just getting really, really unlucky. and
You
you're-
told me we somehow went underwater and got here and then walked past all those guys?
Grenade, grenade,
Oh
grenade.
fuck! Get
They're gonna
back,
drown.
get
Just back up, back
Let
up.
them
They're
drown.
drowned.
Let them
Yeah,
drown.
with your finger
boys.
isn't gonna drown.
Eh,
Your finger
boys.
probably would not. Haha, you're an idiot.
Ah, look at them
Haha, you're an
drown.
idiot.
Ah.
You thinking that? Oh my god, you're so stupid. Look at them struggle. I'm drowning! Ah, no one's gonna save you! Ah, die, pussy! Ah!
They just hit each other.
It looked like they just hit each other.
Just
I'm
smile
gonna
and
hit.
wave, boys. Just smile and wave.
You look funny. You'll be fine, my ass. You'll be fine in
Do I have the helmet on yet? Because I got quite a lot of creeper armor.
I got max
You have to
creepy
max
armor.
it out. Holy fuck.
God damn, there's something jumping at you.
You can tell it's
I'm
important when the
gonna
music
beat the
starts
guy
playing.
Oh my god, that does look amazing though. Good visuals.
Sheesh. I
We
wish I
should
could
kill this
enjoy it,
thing.
but this twin guy is ruining the moment.
Alright, grab the shovel off this guy.
Oh yeah, look at that shovel, baby.
Can we not go down there?
No, there's a little force field.
Lame. What even is that?
Pretty cool sight.
Oh.
What even is it?
It's a facility, dog.
Those babies.
Of course it's fucking.
I feel like the dev just put them to be annoying.
That's from the first game. They were so. You could kill them with stuff.
Yeah, like 1 hit.
The baby.
I
killer.
take like 10.
Just
They're
one.
muted.
I'm gonna call Cole the baby blender.
Honestly, look at this.
Bro made me lose
Also, I'm just
a.
gonna run past
Bro
the
made me
babies.
lose an armor.
Yeah, they're annoying. That's what they do.
I could have used that to tank a hit, man. But no, a stupid baby came pouncing
Yeah,
at
from
my
the
face.
finger boys.
And you
those
did
guys
use it to
are-
take a hit from the babies.
Well, still. It's a baby. You gonna place it?
Yeah, he did.
No,
Sleep.
no, no. I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about myself.
Nappy time. Let's go nappies together.
Reals. It's snow
Oh my
now.
god, I got an achievement. What could go wrong? Oh my god, it's
You were
winter.
cold and wet.
I
Is
think
it winter?
isn't it?
Winter.
How did you get an achievement?
I don't even know what it was. What even was it?
Yeah, check. Is that a wolf?
Fuck that.
Hey guys, you should probably
Survive
get
day
going.
10.
Survive
After-
what?
Survive day 10.
I didn't do
Why
that
didn't we
apparently.
do that?
Oh my
Exactly.
god, the cold is messing with my max.
Yo, I'm kind of freezing right now.
It's so mine.
Hey, there's a guy climbing the tree. How did we not survive day 10?
Behind you, behind you.
shit!
Holy shit!
Oh my god!
shit.
He got fucked up, dude! Damn, I'll shoot him in the dick.
How did we not survive day 10? Again, I'm confused.
I don't know.
Alright, let's go to the
In
safe
pouch.
spots. Did you just say? What the fuck?
We gotta get out of here.
Rat,
Let's go.
bitch!
What is that noise?
Go this way, go this way. No cave, no cave.
What are we shoveling for again?
Right here, shovel by me.
Oh yeah, these are surveying things. I forget. I remember now though. That's what they are. Is there anything here, Jeffrey?
Yes, shovel. Now.
Get shoveling. Is that enough?
Yeah, Javer's doing the cutscene though, because he's
Maintenance, hey.
not the guy who's literally recording the video.
Yeah, okay. Well, you opened the one to the dining, so I don't want to hear it.
It's not
That doesn't. I think of who?
the babies!
They're
Oh,
resilient.
dang!
Dang.
Guys,
It's a
certain
nice
weapon.
ass room. Oh, what's this? Oh, a laser sight.
Well, make a flask for all of us, by the way.
I am making a flask.
Well, yeah, but you're gonna have to make like 2 more.
Wait, what? No, I'm not using all my stuff on all flasks. You make your own.
It's already in there, dog. Okay, fine, whatever.
It's for everyone. That's everyone's. It's not just.
Yeah,
yours.
cool.
You're acting very selfish all of a sudden and calling one this way.
For real?
Is eating the cannibals getting to you?
Yeah.
Scares them off.
Tuxedo? Oh my lord. Let's make the mask then.
Look at my drip! Look at my drip!
This guy committed
gotta wear
suicide,
that
I'm
drip
guessing,
too,
is
bro.
what this is implying.
Is nobody noticing that fire axe that I have?
A fire axe? Wait, what? How do you get a fire axe?
Down the hall, I'm
Killing
assuming.
the babies. Fuck them babies, dog. You're a stinky bitch,
Bro, just take my.
Javer.
Did bro just take my.
I'm gonna
my
go and
mask?
kill him right now, Javer. I'd be careful how you dog.
Armor,
Swear
how's
to
this
God,
fair?
Javer, I see armor right on
Also,
the
the fire
chest.
axe is better,
Is it?
right?
I don't know. Is it?
No. Actually, might not be. Wait, what? I'm assuming it's better for cutting down trees, but the modern axe seems better otherwise.
Does it? Let me check. Let's see.
Did we
I don't
tell me
know,
you're wasting our
the
stuff
firefighter
back
axe
much?
seems pretty good. It just seems slow.
Because
I don't think we need arrows, but alright.
I want to know what the arrows are. Right? It's cheap. It's 50. I swear to God, if he ever takes this, I'm gonna stab him in the face.
I'm back. Oh, you're making arrows for all of us? That's nice.
Javer, I won't hurt you.
Thanks for the arrows, Jeffrey.
Yeah, thanks for the
But
arrows.
both of you. That's kind of neat. I'll go for the shotgun. Why not? Shotgun's
I'll
fun.
probably-
Cool, the mask. You try the mask yet? It's hilarious.
Let me see.
Can't see.
That's the funny part. But you make some voices with it.
Oh my
Holy
god.
Fuck those
Ooh, it's
cannibals.
me. Mask on. Ooh. What are you doing?
Zip line. I don't know what he's on.
I just want to mark our territory, you know?
More like he cut down a tree and now he wants to build.
I just want to mark our territory.